have thousands of notes, documents, and ideas scattered across your apps. And when you need to find something specific, you search and search and search. But your notes are just sitting there, collecting digital dust. Static archives. Dead information. What if I told you that your notes could actually talk back to you? What if you could ask them a question in plain English and get a precise, contextual answer pulled from your own brain across years of thinking? This isn't sci-fi, this is happening right now. And I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. Standard keyword search is broken. It matches letters, not meaning. It matches letters, not meaning. It has no idea what you're actually trying to find. In theory, your notes should be organized and easy to navigate. In practice, they're a chaotic mess that only gets worse the more you add to them. This is where vector databases come in. And I know that sounds terrifyingly technical. But hear me out. A vector database doesn't store your notes as text. It stores them as numbers. Long lists of numbers that represent the meaning of your words. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a map of a city. Every building on that map has coordinates. Your notes are the buildings. A vector is just a set of coordinates in a high-dimensional space. Notes about the same topic end up clustered together. Your marketing notes are in one neighborhood. Your coding notes are in another. And when you ask a question, the system doesn't scan every single word. It just finds the nearest neighborhoods to your question and pulls the relevant buildings. It's not searching for words. It's searching for meaning. Here's where it gets interesting. To make this work, you need a pipeline. You need something that grabs your notes, transforms them into these numeric vectors, and stores them somewhere your AI can access them quickly. That's where n8n comes in. n8n is an open-source automation tool. Think of it like the conveyor belt that moves your notes from where they live to where they need to be. You set it up once. And every time you add a new note, it automatically gets processed and added to your vector database. You don't have to think about it. It just works. You're not just storing information anymore. You're building a second brain that can actually talk back to you. If you want to stop drowning in your own notes and start building a second coworker that actually works, hit subscribe. We break down the confusing stuff so you don't have to figure it out alone. Your future self will thank you.